Welcome back guys. In this video we're going to take a quick look at GBT Technologies, ticker symbol GTCH. As always, before we start, please remember, I'm not a financial advisor and this information is purely for educational purposes only, and please do your own due diligence before investing in any stocks. Before we get into the video guys, if you could hit that like button and subscribe, it would really help the channel grow. Now without further ado, let's get into it. GBT Technologies Inc. develops Internet of Things, IoT, and artificial intelligence, AI-enabled networking and tracking technologies comprising wireless mesh network technology platform and fixed solutions. It offers intelligent human body vitals devices, and asset tracking IoT and wireless mesh network services. The company also sells phones and phone card products, including pins and SIM cards for cell minutes, as well as gift and prepaid long-distance cards. In addition, it offers prepaid cellular phone minutes for domestic and international carriers, cellular activation services, such as activation of SIM cards with wireless carriers, and check processing, verification, and recovery solutions for small to medium-sized businesses. The company was formerly known as Gopher Protocol Inc. and changed its name to GBT Technologies Inc. in August 2019. GBT Technologies Inc. was founded in 2009 and is headquartered in Santa Monica, California. GBT is commencing new research that is targeting medical application robotics, empowered by its AI system. In this research, the company will focus on the innovation and technological advancements that is offered by AI to enable medical robots achieving higher standards. Using AI technology, robots can perform minimally invasive procedures with high accuracy and precision. For example, performing laser incisions on soft tissue, especially for microsurgeries. Using expert system guidance, one of the research goals is to perform robotic-based laser incision simulation based on surgeon high-level commands where an AI engine controls a high-precision laser beam to achieve a desired incision shape, length, and depth. Another planned topic to be researched is robotic assistance for biopsies, where under robotic guidance a surgeon can perform a biopsy based on 3D imaging of the area. The company plans to develop simulated procedures and flows to be tested for further medical purposes. The field of robotics is under constant development in many areas of our daily lives. One of the popular fields that robotics researchers invest major efforts is the medical arena. Today's robots can take patients' vitals, assist with prosthetics, perform an endoscopy, looking inside the human body typically via camera, and complex surgeries. As the demand for less invasive, less painful, high-precision procedures is rapidly growing, we will be evaluating our AI system for these types of procedure. Our goal is to utilize a high-precision mechanical arm-based robotic system in simulated medical procedures supervised by an expert system. The plan is to investigate into soft tissues, ultra-fine laser incisions, 3D imaging, and intelligent navigation to organ sites of interest. Our goal is to develop low and high-level programs to command robotic mechanism for various physicians assisting tasks. Our research will involve full robotic automation, a physician assistant, and a combination of both. The research is planned to be ongoing and we plan to produce technical papers with conclusions and results. Based on our results, we will then seek commercial partners in this domain. Said Danny Rittman, the company's CTO. GBT will grow its footprint in the industry with its Avant AI technology, a unique AI engine capable of being trained, which makes it ideal for developing applications that require learning volumes of information. The company says that it plans to target the implementation of Avant in several different applications, and the first such opportunity will be an application for the medical field that GBT will introduce to the explosive healthcare AI market. According to analysts, the healthcare AI market is forecasted to be worth $6.6 billion by 2021, with a 40% CAGR, and the healthcare IoT market is forecasted to become one of the largest digital health segments with a $158 billion market by 2022 and a 31% CAGR. GTCH ran up 78.34% today from a $0.039 previous close. If you plan on investing in this stock, I would suggest waiting for a correction. Anything below 5 cents would be a good entry point. I see this company's AI technology having long-term potential. This could be a stock to keep on your watch list in 2021. If you like this, please hit the like button, leave a comment below and subscribe for more content like this. Join our Discord community 100% free. You can find the link in the description, as well as a link to sign up for Trading 212, who are offering a free share up to £100. Thanks for watching and take care.